Würth's rechargeable grease gun allows you to effortlessly grease lubrication points. With a full working pressure of 550 bar, it is also suitable for more difficult lubrication points. Handling is extremely easy. Grease cartridges can be inserted in just a few steps. Thanks to its practical design and long hose, the grease gun can also easily be used in difficult to reach places. The grease is simply pressed into the desired place at the push of a button. The rechargeable battery lasts for up to 7 grease cartridges when full. When in use, LED lights constantly display the battery level. With this grease gun, it is also possible to use grease from sachets or other containers. For this, a special filler neck is attached to the grease gun. In this way, grease from larger containers can be transferred easily and cleanly into the gun. The machine can be held comfortably during work. A hose storage tray keeps things tidy. And thanks to the base, the grease gun can be set down securely. A rechargeable battery, a charger, and a carrying bag are included in the delivery. Würth's rechargeable grease gun guarantees optimal machine care with the greatest comfort. An ideal addition for your machinery.